Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this amazing recipe and it's a veggie omelette. It's super easy to make and it's super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut some sausage. I'm using 100 grams. Then you'll need 1 red bell pepper. After, you have to cut some greens like onions. Then I'm adding some cherry tomatoes cut in half. You'll need 8 eggs, a bit of salt and pepper. And all of that, mix it. After, you should add the ingredients and mix it again. You should add some butter into the baking pan and add your mixture. On top, add the cherry tomatoes. And put it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. When it's all done, you can cut it into squares and plate it. It looks and tastes delicious. It is really easy to make, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.